I hope you don't mind if I say that I love you, 'cause there's so many ways that I want to carve out our names, board a last minute plane, just us two. We can chase the sun as it sets in the mountains, find luck like a bet in Greek fountains, or lay lazy in bed with your head on my chest. I hope you don't mind if I say that I love you. Every day another high do, 'cause you know I do, I do, I do. I hope you can hear every note that my heart sings, like a choir of bells, how they all ring. Oh, can't you tell, neath the timpani swells and heartstrings, there's a place deep in our hearts where it matters. We can stay there forever and after, written in stars, right above where we are. I hope you don't mind if I say that I love you. Every day another high do, 'cause you know I do, I do, I do. Holding close, holding tight, let the moon slowly take over on the night. The sky's never been clearer than now. Little lights float around, a million fireflies that never touch the ground. I see your pretty eyes light up as they fly away, heading towards town. I've seen 1,000 suns, too many pretty sights have crossed my way. But you'll always be beautiful, a little boy, a little girl, playing love games in the middle of it all. A little kiss, a little touch, yeah, it's all it takes, know for sure. Auburn eyes, a single bed, staring at the ceiling, slowly laying your head. Put it on my shoulder and I close my eyes, praying for this night to never end. Seen many lovely nights with stars that shine as far as I could see. But you'll always be beautiful to me. Seen many lovely nights with stars that shine as far as I could see. But you'll always be beautiful, holding close, holding tight, let the moon slowly take over on the night. The sky has never been clearer than now.